If you have poor yard drainage, let Worldwide Waterproofing and Foundation Repair Incorporated install an effective drainage system. We'll not only help improve the appearance of your yard, but also help to prevent foundation problems. Sometimes just extending a downspout a few feet makes all the difference. Sometimes more work is needed. Ask us about the best options for your property. Free estimates are available.